again. Here is my activator, which my activator is tied. All done. How much I do with sticky? Not sticky. Not sticky. That was good. It was not sticky. This slime is called Cloud. I'm gonna poke it. So yeah, I'm gonna poke it. Poke, 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 and poke. That was good poking. Oh no, it's a little sticky. Yep, it's sticky. Really sticky. Wait. I'm at Elmer's glue. Just kidding. Hide. So I'm gonna keep adding it and keep adding it, keep adding it. And that was good. So now I mixed it, which I finished mixing it. And yeah. So this slime is called America, since it has blue and red glue. And now I'm gonna poke, poke, and poke. And just keep poking. That was good poking. Now I'm checking with sticky, which is it's a little sticky. Yep, a little sticky. Just a little bit. Not like the other one. Just a little bit. So I'm gonna add more of my activator. And I had a little trouble getting the activator out. There's little chunks of it in there. So now I'm finished. I mixed it, and now this slime is called cherry blossom. Poke, poke, poke. And that was good poking. Slime bubbles. That was a cherry blossom slime bubble. Yeah, good bubble. That was the America bubble. Because it got it was a little big and it got all over. So that was good. That was the ocean one. And I did not do one because my little cousin took it, I think. Oh yeah, my little cousin took it, yep.